In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create promo codes on Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each setting means, and how to launch a code with confidence. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Whop. Look for the official site in the results and double-check the URL so you know you're on the genuine Whop website. Go ahead and click into it. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you manage more than one workspace or store, make sure you select the correct one so the code is created in the right place. After you're signed in, head straight to your dashboard. You'll typically find this from the main navigation at the top or along the left side. From the dashboard menu, locate the promo codes section. It may appear under marketing or sales tools depending on your layout, but it will be clearly labeled. Open that section to see any existing codes and the button to add a new one. Next, click the Create Promo Code button, which you should see near the middle of the screen. This opens the configuration panel where you'll set up all the details of your offer. Begin by adding a code name. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to type, like Summer 20 or Welcome. Avoid spaces or special characters, and stick to a consistent format so your team and customers can recognize it easily. Then, choose your discount. You can typically set a percentage, like 20% off, or a fixed amount, like $10 off. Pick the format that best matches your pricing and the impact you want. Set the duration for the code. This controls how long the discount is valid. You might choose a limited time window for a flash sale, or leave it open-ended for ongoing promotions. If you see options for start and end dates or a maximum number of redemptions, configure them to match your campaign plan. Next, define eligible users. You can target new customers, existing customers, or a specific subset. Use this to prevent misuse and to reward the audience you intended. If your promotion is tied to an affiliate, select the appropriate affiliate so tracking and attribution happen automatically. This ensures the right partner receives credit for referred sales. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize and activate the code. It will go live immediately unless you set a future start date. As a quick best practice, test the code in a private or incognito window to verify the discount applies correctly. You can return to the promo codes section at any time to edit, pause, or delete the code as your campaign evolves. That's all you need to create promo codes on Whop with confidence.